Sometimes, after a lot of care and providing all conditions of growth, the plants do not survive in our garden. We purchase an exotic plant from the plant nursery, but we become so much surprised that after 6 or 8 months, the plant suddenly dies. So, friends, let's know one of the fact that can be one of the reason for plant death. It's an aglonema bought from the plant nursery, which has sticky clay soil attached to the root ball. Plants like Aglonema, spider plant, Philodendron caladium having tuberous roots will have no hassle, but marigold hibiscus have fibrous root which will tear off while we disturb the root ball. I face this problem while repotting plants bought from the plant nursery. Previously, I had lost many plants, but recent days it has diminished. However, if the soil is moderately okay, that is suitable for the plant, then need not to worry. But the clay soil should be positively removed to keep the plant alive. Off the camera, I safely took out the plant from the poly bag, removed the soil, and kept the plant for 2 hours inside water. Now I will remove the remaining soil from the root. Aglonema is a complete shade loving plant under good airflow and bright light. The plant grows well under filtered sunlight. The plant prefers moderately cooler conditions of the atmosphere. Choosing pots for plants is a vital factor. I always prefer earthen terracotta pots. You can go for plastic pots also, but certainly for selective plants which have no root rot issue like philodendron, erica palm, dracaena, bougainvillea. City with dry climate and high temperatures can go for plastic pots. But humid areas and low temperatures always choose earthen pots. They have tiny holes for good aeration and plants develop naturally. Okay, now let's know the water requirement. Shower the plant daily. If the soil is wet, then be careful. Give a misting to the leaves. Do not let the soil dry totally. Try to keep the soil moist. You know why? Because the leaves will retain its luster and glow. Never do infrequent watering. Leaves may droop down and start yellowing. Once if one of the leaf starts yellowing, then you won't be able to revive back and the leaf is its beauty. Always remember, soil type and climatic condition is the greatest factor for the plant growth. Forcibly, you cannot grow Rafflesia in your garden. You cannot provide the weather, climate, humidity. But sometimes adenium will grow in Sikkim and dendrobium in Mumbai. Okay, let's know what soil I am using for aglonema. This is the 8-inch earthen pot placed lots of pebbles underneath and a 1-inch layer river sand. Add 30% river sand, 40% garden soil, 10% vermicompost or cow dung compost, 10% leaf compost, 10% other components like small pebbles, neem extract, cinder, perlite, charcoal crush, and coco peat. So here it's done. The plant will take some time to settle down into the pot because now this is its new home. Keep the pot amongst other pot under shade. Friends, you know we should let plants to grow. Sometimes too much attention may deteriorate the growth and luster. Usually we should water plant after repotting to fill up air pockets. But as the plant was in water, we'll not water the plant now. We'll give a mild shower tomorrow. I always give you the follow up of my plans. So, friends, positively, I will give you the update on my second episode of Aglonema. Please do be connected. You will be able to see the update of the Aglonema plant. My friends and viewers, those who ask for the plant problems, please do state your city weather and age of the plant, which will be easy for me to help you out. Most of the time, there are queries that, ma'am, the plants are dying and leaf yellowing. Want to suggest that without fear, without hesitation, you take out the plant from the pot, wash the pot, do not disturb the root. Check the plant thoroughly. Make a good soil mixture and place the plant again. You will surely find the plant into a new condition again. and added, you can watch the related videos on my playlist that will help you out. So friends, that was all about Aglaonema. The plant has very rare pest attack issue. Whenever you spray neem oil to your garden, spray to this plant also. That will be enough. No added attention for pest. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please do it now. Click on the red subscribe button, hit the bell button also. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Don't hesitate, you can comment on the comment box. Lots of love from Garden Hill.